I've learned a lot of technical details with this internship that'll help me form a connection in my head when I'm taking classes at school to how the theory might actually be applied and what something might actually look like when you build it, instead of just sitting there thinking about a diagram that I see on paper in class. It's not all just about calculations. There's a lot of problem solving that goes into it, and I've learned a lot too about the details of substations and electrical transmission and what the components that make that up are. My very first day, I was nervous that I wasn't going to be able to handle the tasks that would be assigned to me, that I wasn't going to be able to do them or know how to do them. But I was very lucky that I got the help from my supervisors and other engineers, that I was able to get everything done, and I learned a lot in the process too. My favorite thing that I've done in the internship is when I finish a big project and I get to see the completed product before we send it off to where it's going, or I get to see it in use. It's so satisfying to see something completed and realize that I made an impact. 3 words I'd use to describe my internship at Basin are high learning potential. If you're interested in an internship at Basin, definitely go ahead and apply for it. It's a great opportunity and you won't regret it at all.